In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon Fire TV Stick to laptop and OBS Studio Audio Fix. To make this work, you'll use a USB HDMI capture card. Laptops don't accept HDMI as an input. A capture card converts the Fire TV Stick's HDMI signal into a USB video and audio feed your laptop can read. Once that's clear, the setup is straightforward. Start by plugging the Fire TV Stick directly into the HDMI port on your capture card. It should fit snugly with no adapters if you're using a standard capture card that has a full-size HDMI input. This is the only place the Fire Stick's HDMI should go, never into your laptop's HDMI because that's typically output only. Next, connect the USB end of the capture card to your laptop. Use a reliable USB port on the machine itself, not a low-power hub, so the connection stays stable. When it's connected, most operating systems will automatically recognize the capture card as a webcam-like device. Power the Fire TV Stick from a wall outlet using its power adapter. Don't power it from your laptop's USB ports. The Fire Stick needs steady power, and drawing it from the laptop can cause video drops, audio glitches, or the device not fully starting up. A wall outlet ensures a clean, consistent supply. Now open OBS Studio. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Video Capture Device. Give your source a clear name so you can find it later, then look for your capture card in the device dropdown. Many budget cards appear as something like USB video. Select it and you should see the Fire TV home screen in the preview. If you do, you're capturing video correctly. Let's make sure you can hear it and record it. In OBS, find the audio mixer. Next to the source you just created, click the three dots or gear icon and choose Advanced Audio Properties. Locate your video capture device in the list and set audio monitoring to monitor and output. This setting lets you listen in real time through your monitoring device while also sending the audio to your recording or stream. Finally, confirm the volume in the mixer isn't muted or set to 0. You should see the green meter moving when the Fire Stick plays sound. If the meter moves, OBS is receiving audio. If you've set monitor and output, you'll also hear it locally. That's it. With the capture card connected, the Fire TV Stick powered from the wall, and OBS set to monitor and output, you'll have smooth video and synced audio ready for recording or streaming.